Hello, thank you for your purchase of this pattern. All materials used will be listed down below. So to start off the pattern, you pick up 2 beads and loop through them twice just so they are stable. After this, pick up 1 bead and go through the opposite side of where you came out, then through the bead you picked up. Repeat this until you get to the end of the base row. Remember to pick up the beads following the colors on the pattern. For the next row, you will be decreasing the beads by brick stitching. To do this row, pick up 1 bead, go under the first thread at the top from the previous rows, then do the bead. Then pick up the next bead, go underneath the next thread, right after and through the bead again. You will repeat this for the rest of the pattern rows. So when you reach the top for the first half, you will pick up 4 beads to sew and loop around the 2 beads, and then sew through the side beads to the base beads so you can start the bottom half. Or if you're like me and your thread was short, you're going to bind off and then bind in new thread to start the bottom half of your diamond. The bottom half of the diamond is going to be done exactly the same way as the top half, just it's going to be flipped when you're following the pattern. At the bottom of the diamond, you will pick up one bead and loop through the 2 beads and then bind off. And your diamond earring is done. Please check out my Etsy shop linked below to check out more patterns.